I tried Ledger Stax wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first unboxed the Ledger Stax wallet, I expected a standard hardware wallet experience: cold storage, simple security, maybe a fancy app. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that the Ledger Stax isn't just a wallet, it's a glimpse into the future of how crypto storage should feel. Right from day one, the design blew me away. It's sleek, minimal, and feels more like a premium gadget than a crypto device. The curved e-ink touchscreen is surprisingly responsive, letting you view your balances and sign transactions without constantly connecting to your phone or computer. It's intuitive, no tiny buttons, no confusing menus. By day 2, I connected it to the Ledger Live app. Setting up accounts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana was seamless. Transactions were verified directly on the device's screen, making it almost impossible to fall for phishing or malware tricks, one of the biggest risks in crypto today. Midweek, I tested sending and receiving tokens multiple times. What stood out most was the Bluetooth connectivity. It worked flawlessly with my phone, and I could approve transactions securely from anywhere. Most people think Bluetooth makes wallets less safe, but here's the truth: Ledger encrypts all communication end to end. It's safer than it sounds. By day 6, I started exploring NFS storage. Yes, the Ledger Stax lets you view your NFS on its screen. It's a subtle but cool touch, like carrying your digital art collection in your pocket, safely offline. After a full week, here's the shocking truth: the Ledger Stax isn't just for hardcore crypto holders. It's for anyone who values both security and style. It simplifies cold storage without compromising safety, and that's rare. If you've been avoiding hardware wallets because they felt too technical or clunky, this one might finally change your mind. The future of crypto security looks sleek, portable, and smarter than ever.